Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a swept command is discussed here, and swept command is last lecture is discussed here, and this lecture is two command is discussed, two profile type is discussed here. First is circle and second is conic. Okay, swept command is profile type is two very important. First is a circle and second is conic. Okay, discuss here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, and this is our CATIA software interface, and drawing any 2D geometry and 2D drawing here, and then use a last lecture a swept command. Okay, last lecture and very important lecture. Okay, you can see here at first drawing any plane, and plane is a zx plane and xy plane. Okay, at first draw a xy plane. Okay, and plane is a at first select a okay at first select any plane and then any draw here. Okay, this is a undo, and one plane is select here, and x plane and xy plane is hide, and zx plane is also hide, and then use only yz plane, and plane is also create here. Okay, this is a plane, and plane is a select here. Okay, this is a plane. Okay, and again this plane is a select here, this plane is a both side here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a first plane and last plane. This plane is a select here, and again this plane is a create plane, and this is a mid plane is very nice. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, and at first drawing this plane and exit, and spline command is drawing here, and then this and this and this. Okay, and also exit. Okay, and this plane is create here and select exit, and this plane is same to same is drawing here. Use a project 3D element and sketch, and this plane is a select, this spline line is select here, and this is a this plane same line generated here. Okay, this is a generate same and size same, and this is a equal. Okay, and exit, and again this mid plane is select here, and drawing any spline command, and spline command is a sum this curve. Okay, this curve is a this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and use a sweep command is discussed here, and this is a conic, and conic is a 3 guide curve. Okay, this is a 3 guide, and 3 guide means at first guide curve first. Okay, guide curve second, and guide curve, and this plane is a this plane is a hide because all. Okay, this is a perfect, and again sweep command is used. This is a conic, this is a circle, and guide curve, 3 guide curve. Okay, guide curve first, guide curve second, and guide curve third. First guide curve is select here. Okay, and guide curve second is select here, and guide curve third is also select here, and preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing. Okay, drawing a perfect. Okay, guide curve, 3 guide curve use, and okay, this is a line is hide, and this line is also hide, and this is a perfect, and this line is also hide. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is use a okay any material, and select this is a okay this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a zoom. Okay, this isometric view is drawing here. This body is a correct, and this zoom in. Okay guys, okay, and again next lecture is again drawing a conic. Swept command is profile type a conic, and design a wireframe and design. Okay, and again use a YZ plane, and then hide a plane. Okay, and same use but some is different. At first drawing a plane. Okay, this is a plane. Okay, and this is a plane is drawing here, and again this is a plane is drawing here. This plane is a this. Okay, this 3 plane is generated here, and at first this plane is select here, this plane, and drawing a spline, this line, and this to this. Okay, and and exit, and then this point is a click and sketch, and same, then use a project 3D element. Okay, 3D element, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and exit. Okay, and middle plane is use sketch, and some 3-point arc starting with limit. Use a this okay, and this is a this point, okay, this is a correct, this point is a correct, okay, and again this point is a increase, this is a correct, exit, and use a sweep command, and then conic section use a, and this is a very important, and use a 3 guide curve, okay, and guide curve first tangency, guide curve second tangency, and also discuss here guide curve first, okay, mention here tangency, okay, to guide curve first this, and tangency is this, okay, guide curve first select here and tangency select here, okay, next guide curve 2 is select here and tangency is select here also, okay, preview is showing here, okay, this is a correct, tangency is also select here and both is preview is showing here, okay, not mention, draw again, okay, guide curve first is draw here, okay, tangency is select here, okay, select here, and also guide curve second is select here and tangency is a select here, okay, tangency is a select here, okay, preview is showing not, okay, this is a guide curve first tangency is first, and guide curve 2, okay, guide curve first, guide curve for tangency is this, guide curve 2, and tangency is mention last guide curve, okay, 2, and last guide curve 2, guide curve first and last guide curve, okay, okay, again select here sweep, okay, and this is a miss point is here, 3 guide curve is not select, 2 guide curve, okay, select here, okay, some missing point, select a 3 guide curve, at first select a 2 guide curve, this drawing a 2 guide curve, okay, okay, this point 2 guide curve select here, and at first select a conic section, conic, and then subtype a 2 guide curve, and at first a guide curve first tangency and last guide curve tangency, and okay, at first guide curve first, okay, tangency is this, okay, and select our last guide curve this, and tangency is also this, okay, preview is showing here, okay, okay, and this is a correct, and some angle point is 0 and angle point is 0, angle is increase and decrease, okay, this is a increase angle and this is a twist point, okay, this is a angle is increase, and also this is a 20, this is a 20, angle is a, okay, this is a twist point, okay, angle is also 30, and then point is twist point, okay, this is a twist point. Okay, and angle is a 20, this is a twist point. Okay, and angle is a 10, this is a point is, and angle is 10, and this is also okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some line is a plane is a hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide, and this curve is also hide, all is. And some this drawing a conic, and this is a perfect, and some material is used, this is a material. Okay, and this stone material is used here, this is a material, and this material is also, this is a correct. Okay, and some use a material another. Okay, this is a use. Okay, this is a correct, this is a correct material. And this is perfect. Okay, this body is a, okay, this is a correct, and isometric drawing this. Okay, some drawing discuss here, this is a correct. Okay, this is perfect, this body is a perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, okay guys, sweep command is this is a complete and more practice sweep command is available here. CATIA practice tutorial is discussed here, and all more practice you can see here. And today sweep command is a last. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.